let's make our new natural shea balm kit. The balm starts with melting down our raw shea butter. This product is sourced from Baraka Shea Butter, who creates this unrefined natural butter by hand in Ghana. To avoid graininess, we're tempering this butter, which means melting it down and holding it at a consistent temperature for about an hour. Then we add a combination of lightweight liquid oils to create that really soft, spreadable consistency. Here you can see me adding argan oil, avocado oil, and extract. Then a touch of lavender essential oil is added for a really nice, gentle floral scent. Once these ingredients are thoroughly stirred in, the balm is poured into jars and immediately placed in the freezer to quickly cool. The quick cooling is an important part of the tempering process and helps avoid the grainy texture that shea butter can sometimes produce. Once labels are applied, the balm is ready to use. I especially like it on rough areas like the elbows and knees.